Hey guys, Albert Howard here with AOne ATM. Employee group ATMs are one of the fastest growing segments of new ATM installations in the United States. Have you considered adding your branded ATM to your employee group or bank at work locations? Here are 3 things we do for you. 1. Hassle-free ATM management. What I want you to know here is we handle all the details for you. No out-of-pocket expense. We take care of everything, including equipment, processing, communications, maintenance, cash forecasting, and cash delivery. Our solution provides maximum ATM uptime, and we provide you monthly reporting so you can see the ATM performance each month. The second thing that we provide is dynamic marketing at the ATM. Your ATM is a marketing kiosk located in the employee group, delivering your message 24/7. Let's start with a wrap. We only use the best wrap material that will not peel or fade. Our team designs your wrap to your specifications. Our 15-inch high-definition welcome screens provides a perfect palette to deliver your custom ads. We can run up to 6 ads at a time, and there is no additional cost to change the ad. We recommend you change the content every quarter. Our backlit topper stands perfectly at eye level, and we view this as a billboard. We can change the topper insert as often as you want. We also provide a brochure rack that can be filled with your company's brochures. The third thing that we do is we bring employee groups to you. We market our services to employee groups, then pair them up with you and let the relationship begin. To reiterate, the 3 things we can do for you are 1. Hassle-free, hands-off ATM services. 2. Dynamic marketing at the ATM. And number 3, we bring employee groups to you. My name is Albert Howard. Let's talk.